Hello viewers, welcome back. Today we are going another video. As you know, Christmas is coming and what could be more fun than creating beautiful decoration with simple jute rope and decorate your house and your stairs and your walls and your balcony. So just is natural, eco-friendly and budget-friendly, and we will mix it with the Christmas color. It gives such a cozy, rustic and festive look. So today I will share some amazing Christmas jute craft decoration ideas. These are very easy to make, perfect for home decoration, and they also bring a handmade charms to your Christmas celebration. Take a one shape base, wrap it with jute rope and decoration with teeny beads, stairs or fairy lights. This tree look very elegant on our table on shelf. Simple but very stylish. Viewer, as you said, you want to watch some tutorial and how I can make them, so please must watch YouTube channels. Another my YouTube channel where is lots of amazing tutorial videos, so please must watch and subscribe for tutorials. If you have old Christmas bell, just cover them with the jute rope and add a small ribbon bow. This gives a rustic farmhouse touch. You can hang them on your Christmas tree or even in a window. Third idea, jute candle holder and glass jar. Take a glass jar, wrap it with jute rope and decorate with lace or small Christmas charm. Please place a candle inside and see the warm glow. It creates such a peaceful and cozy vibe in your living room. Inside of your home, inside of shiny paper, trying wrapping your gift with the brown craft paper and tie them with jute rope. Add a small pine cones or green leaf or decoration. These gives a natural, eco-friendly look and make your gift extra special. You can easily make a wreath by wrapping a round base with jute rope and decorating it with balls, berries, and ribbons. Hang it on your door, and it will instantly welcome to your guests, your friends with festive charm. Friends, these crafts are not only beautiful but also relaxing to make. The help reduce stress, and when you decorate your home with homemade items, you feel proud and happy. A small tip, always use a hot glue gun carefully, and if you are crafting with kids, make sure they use safe materials. So, which jute craft idea did you like the most? Tell me in the comments. And if you try any of these, don't forget to share your experience. As you know, I'm always in share a lots of decoration ideas and mostly crafting, recycling crafting, homemade craft, DIY tutorials. So please must share this video to your friends and family and must enjoy your event with your homemade craft. People will love you, like your craft. I hope you make a very wonderful Christmas event, your holidays. If you like this video, so please must share with your friends and family and post your comments, your thoughts. I will share next as per your desire and as per you said. You can also visit our channel. There is lots of tutorials how to make them, how to decorate your home with all type of crafting like jute, wreath, peppercorn, ice cream sticks. You must enjoy. Hope you like. Thanks for watching till the end. Take care, goodbye, and enjoy your Christmas party.